Do not let those forgotten packets of instant noodles or lingering slices of bread languish in your pantry any longer. In mere minutes, Cooking Tips 5S will transform them into 3 magnificent, restaurant-quality breakfast masterpieces. Let us begin this culinary magic. Dish 1. Golden instant noodle and egg pizza with molten cheese. We commence by bringing a pot of water to a gentle rolling boil. As we wait, we gracefully crack farm-fresh eggs into a bowl, whisking them into a luminous ribbon. Once the water dances with heat, introduce the block of instant noodles for a fleeting blanch. A vital culinary secret: extract the noodles the very moment they loosen and separate. This preserves their impeccable, springy elasticity, ensuring they never become mushy during the sear. After allowing the noodles to drain, meticulously mince vibrant green scallions and dice rich, smoky bacon. Pour the whisked golden eggs over the resting noodles, showering them with the emerald scallions. Toss with a gentle rhythm, ensuring every single strand is sumptuously coated in the egg mixture. Glossing a preheated skillet with a whisper of oil, we pour the entire noodle medley, spreading it into a flawless, even crust. Allow the base to sear until it achieves a magnificent, shatter-crisp golden finish before gracefully flipping it. Now scatter the smoky bacon across the surface, crowning the creation with a generous mosaic of cubed and shredded cheese. Cover the pan briefly, listening to the gentle sizzle as the cheese surrenders into a glorious, bubbling melt. The result: an impossibly crunchy crust, embraced by rich, velvety cheese, an absolute triumph of flavour. With a breakfast pizza as exquisite and deeply satisfying as this, should you find yourself without bacon, what homegrown rustic topping would you choose as a substitute? Share your culinary ingenuity in the comments below. Dish 2. Baked eggs and tender peas crowned with sausage. We transition to a remarkably convenient second creation, guided by the precision of the air fryer. Begin by gently simmering vibrant green peas until they yield to a tender softness. A quiet chef's note: while peas are deeply nourishing, they possess a firmer bite than delicate eggs. This gentle pre-boil guarantees a flawless, even bake, coaxing out the peas' natural buttery sweetness. Once softened, pass them through a fine sieve to drain completely, then cascade them into a silver foil tray. Crack 3 farm-fresh eggs directly into the vessel, awakening them with a dusting of fine sea salt and cracked black pepper. Whisk the mixture effortlessly within the tray. Now we prepare our vibrant toppings, carefully slicing savoury sausage and sun-ripened tomatoes. Artfully arrange these jewels over the pea and egg canvas, adding a final scatter of fresh scallions for a visually arresting burst of colour. Introduce the tray into the air fryer, allowing the gentle heat to delicately sear the surface of the eggs and release their intoxicating aroma. A brilliant culinary secret, baking the eggs until just set before introducing the cheese ensures the custard cooks perfectly from the inside out. Furthermore, it guarantees the cheese retains its lustrous, golden melting perfection without a hint of char. Withdraw the tray and carve into a pillowy, soft egg crust brimming with savoury toppings. A true masterpiece. Dish 3. The golden sandwich, bread and egg roll. Finally, we shall elevate those lingering slices of sandwich bread. Delicately carve the soft bread into elegant rectangular battens. Finely mince savoury sausage and fresh emerald scallions. Next, crack 2 pristine eggs into a bowl, seasoning with salt and pepper, whisking until smooth, before folding in the vibrant scallions. Warming a skillet over the flame, we paint the surface with a luxurious layer of unsalted butter. A chef's whisper searing bread in unsalted butter rather than oil imbues it with an irresistibly fragrant, milky richness. Now, submerge the bread battens into the seasoned egg mixture, allowing them to absorb the velvety liquid. Place the bread and the diced sausage into the shimmering pan, searing until golden. Following this cascade, the remaining scallion-flecked egg over the entire canvas, gracefully rolling it all into a seamless, unified cylinder. A delicate golden egg blanket envelops butter-soaked pillowy bread and robust sausage. A lightning-fast 5-minute breakfast that defies imagination with its exquisite taste.